if you want to reduce battery aging on iPhone 17, here's what you can do. So the main way to reduce battery aging or slow down the process of battery aging is by going to battery settings. In here you should be able to find charging, and the charging limit or charge limit can be enabled in this exact place, and it is recommended to use charge limit. I know it is a little bit inconvenient to use charge limit because you then you are preventing yourself from using 100% of the battery. But nowadays, batteries are built in such a way that the perfect percentage for the battery is between 20 and 80%, which means that you should start charging your phone when the battery drops to 20% and you stop charging at 80%. Of course, we can increase the limit to 85 to 90, 95% if you want to. However, when we are looking for the most optimal way, then definitely it is 80%. If on the other hand you think it is inconvenient to use the charge limit, you can still set up the limit to 100%, but you should use the optimized battery charging option, which when the charge limit is set to 100%, you can allow your iPhone 17 to wait to finish charging past 80% until the time you need to use it. So essentially, after some time, the phone can try to learn the charging pattern when you start charging your iPhone 17 and when you stop, and then based on that information, the phone can try to predict when you are about to unplug the charger, and then you can start charging it again from 80 to 100%. So this is how we can mainly reduce battery aging. Of course, in addition to that, you might see some additional tips over here below the battery percentage, which can also be quite useful to improve the battery health, or actually to prevent the aging process essentially. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.